Hey, today on What Did I Buy Now? Well, I went out and I got a new gadget. I couldn't pass it up. It was a really good deal through Temu again. $150 product. I got it for 56 bucks. So I couldn't complain. And what we got is this. I got a Zeke Saw. Now what the hell's a Zeke Saw? A Zeke Saw is this. Yep. A little electric hand saw. It's only a 6-inch blade. Kind of funky. But when we're wheeling and stuff, you get branches that are too low. Sometimes something's fallen. This isn't a true chainsaw, but I'm curious to see how it goes. Now, when it comes to chainsaws, I do know a fair bit about them because I have and still work in the tree removal industry. So I've run just about every brand of saw there is out there. And electric have not been my fan. But a relative of mine did get one of these by chance, and they liked it. So I thought I'd try it and see. I want to see the longevity of it. I may even take it out on a tree job and see how it does with that. But for now, we're just going to see what all's in the box and see what it will cut. I already have some stuff I cut down that I need to cut up, so we'll just try it out on that and see how it goes. Now, the box included instructions, the saw. Whoops. That's for oiling your chain once in a while, because it doesn't have an automatic oiler, but being such a short bar, I don't think it really needs it. Pair of safety glasses, a pair of gloves. Don't think those are going to last long, but something to start with. 2 batteries, a spare chain, charger for the batteries, because they just plug in themselves somehow. Oh yeah, right in there. Oh, that's cool. So they're like a slide-in dock. Curious if those are the same as my other brand. And a screwdriver for maintenance. So that's what all came with it. Not too bad. And we'll put one of these in. I checked them out. You can turn them on, and it shows if they're charged or not. They came charged, so that's good. So we're going to give it a little try and see how it works. Alright, so here's the saw. Here are the batteries. Simple snap together. And it has a lock. Very nice. It has a safety lock. So you cannot, if you leave the battery in, it won't run. And there we go. Sounds a little cheesy, but let's go give it a try. We'll start with something small and we'll work our way up. Oh. So far so good. Wow, I'm impressed. Not too bad. Let's see. Okay. Not bad. Okay, let's try to feed it something a little bigger. There we go. Still not, we're only about 3 inches, but let's see how this goes. Not bad. Good cut. Seems sharp. Here's the what? Almost shot. Now the next question. So, in the bush, on the trails, this is definitely going to work. And I will maybe take it with me to work and see how it's hanging off the belt and see how it does at work in that. I'm wondering how long the battery lasts. But so far, I'm impressed. As you can see, we've got some branches here that are, well, they're attacking my house. So we're going to cut the branches back so they're not touching the roof and help keep some of the rodent traffic down. Here goes. You have to let this saw do what it's doing. You can't put pressure on it. It doesn't like that. You see that back there when I can reach it. That's a lot of trees. Well, I killed one battery. It's charging. The only way to tell how much life the battery is by pushing the button. It doesn't show you when you're using it. That is a bit of a bummer. But I did probably close to, I'd say about 150 cuts with this, maybe more. And stuff about 3 to 4 inches. So definitely did last longer than I thought it would. And it still performed right until the last bit, and it just stopped. So, and I did cut some stuff up to about 5.5 inches, so almost the full length of the blade, and it still cut through that. That was with the new battery, but yeah, it still cut through it beautifully. Now, when the battery's done charging, again, the battery doesn't show you anything, but the little charger does. Light was red, now it's green. So that's how you know that your battery's back up and fully charged for the saw. So in conclusion, this little Zeke Saw was definitely worth the investment. I'm looking forward to trying it when I'm doing some tree removal. See how it works with that. Make sure both batteries are charged for sure. That's the only thing I don't know, because I haven't had it for very long, is how well do the batteries recharge and last, into the future. But so far so good. It seems to be awesome. It's got lots of power, does a really nice cut. Don't push on it, just let it do its thing, just hold it firm, and it really eats through the wood. I'm very impressed. And a lot quieter than a gas saw. And that's what I like. We don't have the noise, we don't have the gas and the oil and everything else spilling in the vehicle. We can just toss this in, moose or in the crawler hauler and take it with us if we need to rescue somebody, or if we're wheeling. It's just there. It's a handy little thing, and it's light as can be too. It weighs next to nothing. So I'm very impressed. Well, I hope that helped you if you're thinking about buying something like that. Remember, please hit that like, hit the subscribe. We're growing the channel great. I thank you very much. And share if you can. I will see you next video.